8424, 197,000 miles roughly on a 2006 Honda Accord. We have the OEM air intake from Honda, the last 200,000 miles, and it finally cracked. So we're replacing it with the aftermarket one. The model number is OEM 17228R, 3 A's and a 00, part GWA141. So it has two Phillips that you can take off of the original one, right there, or it could be like a 7 or 8 millimeter, and then clamp this thing right here and then pull it out. I can see oil in my tube, so I might have an issue here or a bad PCV valve or something. And then while you're at it, maybe take carburetor cleaner and clean the air intake. Watch a video of that. Okay. And our problem is like right here. Ours is cracked. Right there, you can see it's opening. So air is leaking through there.